Samsung's upcoming One UI 8 update, based on Android 16, is expected to launch officially in July 2025 alongside the debut of the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. The update introduces over 25 new features, focusing on refining the user experience through enhanced personalization, improved multitasking, and deeper system-level optimizations. One of the headline features is the introduction of the Now Brief widget, which delivers daily personalized summaries including weather, calendar events, and news. Another notable addition is support for Auracast, a new audio sharing technology that enables users to transmit audio to other nearby devices via QR code, expanding the usability of Bluetooth audio in public or group settings. Visually, One UI 8 brings a refreshed user interface with dynamic lock screen options, including an animated clock style that adds a more vibrant and customizable feel. The Reminder app has also been redesigned for better organization and usability, while the Quick Share feature gets a simplified interface for easier file transfers across Galaxy and other Android devices. Samsung continues its push towards seamless productivity with upgraded multitasking capabilities, such as more flexible split-screen and pop-up window functions, especially optimized for foldable devices and large-screen phones. The beta version of One UI 8 is already available to Galaxy S25 series users in select regions, giving early adopters a taste of what's to come. Feedback from the beta is being used to refine the final release, which is expected to begin rolling out more broadly in August 2025. With these updates, Samsung aims to further unify its software ecosystem and maintain its lead in the Android customization space.